Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the error of Valorant. This issue can be frustrating, but don't worry, I will walk you through a few simple steps to get you back into the game. This error usually pops up due to issue with right anti-cheat system, vanguards, or because of the game doesn't have the necessary permission to run correctly. Luckily, fixing it is straightforward and I will guide you step by step. First step you can take for this error, you can run Valorant as an administration. First, let's make sure Valorant is running with the right permission. To give the right permission, you have to locate the Valorant icon on your desktop and then right click on the that icon and select the properties. From there, go to the compatibility tab. It will show in a little section. Check the box for run the program and administer. There are some 3 to 4 boxes you have to choose. Run this program as an administration. Then click apply. Then click on the OK. And now launch the game and see if the error is gone. If not, I will show you another step to do that. Now, in the second step or second solution, Android and Valorant process in the task manager. If running as an administration didn't help, we need to fully close Roid process and restart them. First of all, open the task manager by pressing Control plus Shift plus Escape, or simply you can go click on this uh, tab Windows, click on this Windows icon and search taskbar or task manager. It will appear here. Now from here you have to choose. You have to, for example, just take a imagine I have a rights application playing here. For example, this one. You have to just right click on the on that application and click on the in task. It will end the whole task of Riot Games, and once everything is closed, try launching Valorant again. If the second step don't help you with the fixing error, we need to ensure the rights anti-cheat service VGC is running properly. For checking that, you have to press Windows plus R to open the run dialogs. Type service.msc on that VGC, double click on it and set startup type to automatic. Click starter, then apply on OK. After that, restart your PC and check if the issue is resolved or not. Now, if the third steps don't work or don't fix your error, you can use these steps for that. Uh, VGT Ray in startup apps. Sometimes the error happens because of right startup process aren't enabled. For that, open a task manager again and go to startup apps tab. Scroll down and look for VGT Ray. Find the VGT Ray in the taskbar. For example, this is this is VGT array. Just imagine this is a VGT array, and right click on and you will get the option of enable. Restart your computer after enabling that, and yeah, if the these steps help you, then it's okay. If this step also not fixed your problem, you can try with the fifth step. In the fifth step, if none of above step work, let's try to reinstall the right anti-cheat system. Open the start menu and search for add or remove program, and then scroll down until finds the application called Rights Vanguard. Click on 3 dots next to it and select uninstall. Once uninstall is restart your PC and open Valorant, the game will automatically reinstall the Rights Vanguard. Hopefully, this following these steps, you have fixed the issue and you can jump back into the game. If you are still experiencing problem, let me know in the comments, and I will do best to help you. If you like this video, thank for watching and like the video.